This video will explain how to remove a compressor switch. The tools needed are snap ring pliers, GPD 5811-25-4, and switch puller or installation tool, GPD 5811-42-3. Step 1. Loosen the manifold plate to release the pressure. Step 2. Squeeze snap ring that is holding the plug in place. Step 3. Gently squeeze snap ring and pull up and out to remove. Caution: snap ring may fly off due to tension. Step 4. Pry up on the plug to remove. Step 5. Remove and discard compressor switch blank. Step 6. Place switch here. For more tech tips, visit gpdtechtips.com.